we're in Hull today to see what the city has to offer. Hull is the capital of Hull, so let's have a look. Some people don't even consider Hull to be a valid tourist destination. Now I think they're wrong, and so do these ducks that we found in a local park. They come here every year and they even bring their kids with them. Hull has some really beautiful spots to visit, like this, and this. You shouldn't struggle to find something to eat in Hull. Hull is home to some of the world's most famous restaurants: KFC, McDonald's, Subway and Greggs. And if you fancy something a little bit spicier, there is also gyros. Hull is blessed with loads of free facilities all around the city, like these toilets behind me. Hull has some really cool shopping streets as well, like this street here, where we've got Dykeman shoes, Sterling meat, and CEX. Hull is full of famous landmarks, including the train station entrance here, where Uncle Albert and the rest of the Trotter gang head off on their voyage to Amsterdam. It's time to go home now. We've had a great day out in Hull. Hope you enjoyed watching that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.